Today, we'll walk you through how to replace the vat film on the Sonic Mighty Revo. The vat film is a consumable part and should be replaced regularly, especially when worn out or visibly damaged. Let's get started. For this process, you'll need a new film, 3 hex keys in the toolbox, 2mm, 2.5mm, and 3mm. Remove the resin vat from the printer and clean it thoroughly using 95% alcohol and paper towels. Use the 3mm hex key to remove the 4 screws in the corners of the vat. Next, switch to the 2.5mm hex key and remove the remaining screws around the vat. Use the 3mm hex key again to slightly pry open the metal frame from the corner, then carefully remove it. Flip the metal frame over to access the other side. Use the 2mm hex key to loosen all the screws on the metal frame. Now it's time to remove the old film. Clean off any resin residue on the metal frame and the vat body with 95% alcohol and paper towels. Take out the new film and remove the protective film. Refer to the diagram on the right and place the first layer of the metal frame, followed by the film. Use the diagram as a guide to position the second layer of the metal frame on top of the film. Confirm the alignment of the frame and film, and use the 2mm hex key to pierce the film through the holes in the metal frame for proper guidance. Tighten the screws in the following order. Start by diagonally tightening the 8 corner screws. Tighten the 6 screws in the middle diagonally. Finish by tightening the remaining screws all diagonally. Once that is done, flip the metal frame over and position it back onto the resin vat. Refer to the diagram on the right to check if the holes are aligned properly. Using the 3mm hex key, tighten the 4 corner screws diagonally. Switch to the 2.5mm hex key and tighten the 6 middle screws diagonally. Finally, tighten the rest of the screws diagonally as well. Use the short side of each hex key to double-check that all screws are fully secured. Carefully trim off any excess film from the edges of the vat. And that's it! You've successfully replaced the vat film on your Sonic Mighty Revo.